Hey Apple fans! Apple just launched AppleCare One, a game-changing plan to cover all your devices for one low price. Ready to protect your gear? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this all-in-one deal. Apple unveiled AppleCare One, a new subscription covering multiple devices for just $19.99 a month. With unlimited repairs and theft protection, it's a steal. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. AppleCare One lets you cover 3 devices like an iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch for $19.99 per month, with unlimited repairs, battery replacements, and loss or theft protection for iPhones and iPads. Add extra devices for just $5.99 each. Apple says you can save up to $11 per month compared to individual AppleCare Plus plans for an iPhone, iPad, and watch. To get AppleCare One, buy it with new Apple hardware, add it within 60 days of purchase, or upgrade from an active AppleCare Plus plan. You can include devices up to 4 years old tied to your Apple account, and coverage auto transfers when you trade in for the new gear. Part of Apple's service segment, alongside Apple Music Plus and iCloud subscriptions. AppleCare One simplifies device protection, saving you money and hassle with one plan for all your Apple gear. With unlimited repairs and theft coverage, it's perfect for Apple enthusiasts. As Apple pushes subscriptions, could this be the ultimate peace of mind plan for your tech? It's a no-brainer for multi-device users. AppleCare One is available now, so grab it for your iPhone, your iPad, or watch and save. Whether you're protecting your gear or planning a trade-in, this plan's got you covered. Which devices are you signing up for? Drop it below. That's the scoop on AppleCare One. Are you hyped for unlimited repairs or the $19.99 deal? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.